on, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I will be going to school and honking an air horn in the hallways. Let's do this. Alright guys, I'm in the practice room in band with Andre. Shout out to Andre. We're doing our auditions, so this is what we got. You want to hold the camera? Okay. Holding the camera. Holding the camera. Be careful. Okay. The microphone is right there, so make sure not to put your finger over it. Okay. So this is the audition material right here. Well, this is material on the audition paper. So. Whoops. The stand's touching the bars. Whoops. There we go. Okay, it goes.
That a boy, my turn.
Cut! No, cut! Retry. Cut.
Cut.
Action! I give up.
Okay, my turn.
Ready?
It's so much harder when you have a camera on you. That's the problem.
We gotta make some cool. We gotta make some cool beats right now. Alright, this sounded kind of cool.
I ended on A flat and D flat.
The low notes are cool. This works on my marimba. You hit it super hard, and then you just leave your mallet on it and it just like bounces up. Watch. It's pretty cool. It doesn't really work on those. It works on the lower notes because of the vibration. It's pretty cool, right? This is what it's like in band sometimes. So we're gonna do some magic, right? We're gonna do something awesome. Right. 3, 2, 1. What? Andre? She's coming.
Back up.
Okay. Oh, okay. Pack up.
No, I might. Yeah.
Alright, we're doing a practice round. Oh gosh. I just stepped in that pit. Alright, practice round. We gotta make sure no one sees us.
I thought it was gonna be like those ones that just go like,
He's gonna do it. You recording? right, I got it right here. I'm gonna blow it going down a hallway. All right. This is super suspicious. I can't.
Here, let me hold it.
Oh, here we go. No. I will.
Do this. Stop plugging your ears. Do this though.
Right here at the Skipper Girls.
Hey, Dana, wanna be on my YouTube channel?
Don't eat 6 bags of M&M's. Back to the house. All right, guys, that was really fun. Hope you liked it. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Peace out.